In this video, I'll show you how to share a Claude AI conversation quickly and easily. This is useful if you want to send your chat results to a friend, teammate, or client. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and have the conversation open that I want to share. At the top right area of the chat window, I'll look for the Share button. Once I find it, I'll click Share to open the sharing options. A small window will appear that allows me to create a shareable link for this conversation. To continue, I'll click Create Link. Claude will now generate a public link to this chat. This link allows other people to view the conversation without needing access to my account. Next, I'll click the Copy Link button so I can copy the conversation link to my clipboard. Once the link is copied, I can paste it anywhere I want, such as in an email, message, or document, and send it to someone else so they can view the conversation. If I ever want to stop sharing the chat, I can return to the Share option and disable the link or manage my shared conversations. And that's it. I've successfully shared a Claude AI conversation. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more simple AI tutorials and guides.